doing the qixels again, and I need to hurry up with my video, but I already undid it, so I could hurry up and do my video. This heart one, you might want to just like not do this or fill it in if you do, because like this little two pieces kind of wiggly. And my hammerhead came out really good. And okay, I'm gonna be doing another one, I'm gonna be doing this one, and I'll put this in. I'll put the blue ones with the other ones with the gray because I just didn't want to, like, I just put it with the one that barely even had anything. So I'm gonna do this one, the dragon. So I'm gonna get started. Sorry, I'm really, I'm so sorry. I can't make another one. It's not working. It's really not working. I'm so sorry. But later, because I have to really hurry, but later I promise I will make a video later. And I will try to make this. I'm not saying I will, but I say I might. So don't count on me. I'm sorry right now, you just can't count on me. Okay, bye. Comment down below. Okay, I'm sorry. Let me re-say this. Comment down below, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe. Bye.